Hello class 7th, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, we have completed 3 chapters. Now, I will start chapter number 2, number system. In this chapter, I will explain you different types of number system which we are using in computer. This type of number system we will use when we are making our computer programs. In these number system, we will convert decimal number system into different number system. So, I will explain you how to convert decimal number into other number system and other number system converted into decimal number system. This is our second chapter, chapter name number system and introduction. First, what is number system? The computer converts simple English language into its own language's binary form. This is known as the binary form, which is understood by the system, because I explain you in computer languages that computer understand only binary digits. Binary digits are made up of 0 and 1. Here 0 means off and 1 means on. By these number make the coding of computer, which can be understood by the processors. So this binary number system, which uses only 2 digits 0 and 1, is most suitable for a computer. It is conveniently used to express the two possible states, yes and no. 1 means yes and 0 means no. Generally, a computer system has 4 number systems. First is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. First, I am explaining you decimal number system. A decimal number system uses all the digits from 0 to 9. In decimal number system, we will use the numbers which started from 0 to 9. A decimal number system is represented with 10 as the base of the number. The decimal number system base is 10. All the numbers used in mathematics for solving different tasks are decimal numbers. A computer performs all the operations in binary form. I told you binary form means binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. For example, this is a number 3435 and the base is 10. So this is the number and base is 10 means this is a decimal number system. This is a decimal number. So this is a decimal number. Now I will explain you binary number system. Binary means 2. The binary number system base is 2. Binary number system deals only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. All the numbers are composed of only zeros and ones, where 2 is the base of the binary number system. In decimal number system, the base is 10 and binary number system, the base is 2. But binary numbers are the combination of only 2 numbers, 0 and 1s. In decimal number system, we will use 0 to 9 numbers. Now, first I am explaining you conversion of decimal number to binary number. I will explain octal number and hexadecimal in my upcoming video. First, we will do the question based on the conversion of decimal number into binary number. Suppose we have a number 25. 25, the base is 10. It means this is a decimal number. I told you that if any number, the base is 10, it means that number is decimal number. If the base is 2, that it means the number is binary number. So this is a decimal number. Now we will convert this decimal number into binary number. For this, First we will write the numbers 25. Then we will make a table like this. You have done LCM chapters in your mathematics. Same way we will do like this, but only some differences are there which I told you. First we will, the binary number base is 2, so we will divide this number by 2. First we will divide. Here we will write the number which we will divide, here we will write the number which will be divided, and here will the number 2, because binary number base is 2, so that we will divide this decimal number by the 2. First we will write number 25, then we will divide it 2. If we will divide, then quotient come 12. When we will divide 25 here, 25, then 2 1 is 2, 1, then 5, then 2 2 is 4, 4, and 1 is remainder. Quotient we will write here, and remainder we will write in right side, right column. And quotient we will write in the middle line, middle column. Now again we will divide this number 2 by this number 12 by the 2. Then 2 6 is 12. Quotient we will write here. Remainder will be 0, because it will 2 6 is 12. Then remainder will be 0. So that we will write remainder here. This is the remainder. Again we will divide this number by 2. 2 3 is 6. Remainder will be 0. So that we will write remainder here 0. Again we will divide this quotient by 2. 2 1 is 2. So that quotient we will write here, and remainder will come 1. 2 1 is 2 means 3 minus 2 became 1. So that the remainder is 1. So we will write remainder in the right column. Now after that, when 1 will come, that time we will divide this 1 by 2, because after this, when we will divide this 1 by 2, it will not be divided, so that we will write this number same here in right column. We will write 1 here, and then we will write 0, because it will not be divided, so that we will write 0 here. Hope you all understood. Now this is 1 0 0 1 1. This is our tables. This is known as LSB, and this is known as MSB. When we will write the numbers in binary numbers form, we will start from here. First we will write 1 1, like 1 1 0 0 0 0 and 1. We will start from MSB to LSB. We will start here to here. 1 1 0 0 1. We will write this number. Then we will write the base 2, because we have converted this 25 base 10 decimal number into binary number, so that binary number base will be 2. I told you binary number is made by only 2 numbers, 0 and 1. Here you can see this is made by 2 numbers, 0 and 1. Hope you all understood this. Now one more question we will do. This is the 85. Now I will take 85, the base is 10, so that this is a decimal number. I will convert this number into binary number. Same way, I will divide this 85 by 2. Quotient will come 42, and remainder will be 1. Then 42 divided by 2, quotient will come 21, and remainder will be 0, because it will divided by 2 completely, so that remainder will be 0. Now I will divide this 21 by 2. 21 by 2 means 2 1 is 2, and 2 not be 0, 0, then remainder will be 1. So remainder we will write right column. Same way we will divide this 10 by 2. 2 5 is 10. Quotient we will write here, and remainder we will write here. 0 remainder will come. Now when we will divide this 5 by 2, 2 2 is 4. 4 means 1 will be remainder, so that 1 we will write right column. Now again 2 1 is 2, so that 0 remainder will be 0. 0 will come here. Now we will divide this 1 will come, so that I told you that 1 will not be divided by 2, so that we will write 1 here and 0 here. Now same we will write MSB to LSB, means 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Bottom to right we will write, bottom to right. We will start from bottom to right, bottom to top, sorry. Bottom 1, then 0, then 1 0 1 0 1. So we will write like this, and base will be 2 because we have converted this decimal number into binary number. Hope you all understood. I will give you some more questions. You will try to do. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Now we will change binary number to decimal number. In 2 example we have done 2 decimal number into binary number. Now I will explain you how we will change binary number to decimal number. This is a binary number and base will be 2. By mistake I have written 10 here, but the base will be 2 here. The base will be 2. This is 2. By mistake I have written here 2 will be the 2. Now 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is a binary number and the base will be 2, so that it defined that this is a binary number. Now we will convert into in decimal number. First we will write number like this one in make a table. First we will count this, how many column we will write. This is a then this is a column 1 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 here, so that we will write we will draw a table that there is 6 column 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we will write 1 in this column. First we will start from left to right. Left 1 1 0 1 0 1 here, and now we will write this is a binary number, so that we will write it is a binary number, so that we will write here binary number. After that the base will be 2, so we will write 2 2 in next column. Now we will start from the power. Power we will start 2 power 0, then 2 power 1, then 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, till 4 it will come. If one number is also here, then we will write 2 power 5. But here this is power, so that we will write this is a power. Now we will change it power. The power, if any number's power is 0, it means the number is 1 only. So that 2 power 0 means 1. Now we will write the value converting into power. 2 power 0 means 1. We will write 1 here. Now 2 power 1 means we will multiply 2 power 1 means 2. So that we will write 2 here. Now 2 power 2 means we will multiply 2 by 2 times. 2 multiply 2. So that 2 multiply by 2, then it will come 2 2 ja 4. So that we will write 4 here. Now 2 power 3 means we will multiply 2 by 2 3 times. 3 times means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 means 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Now value will be 8 here. Same way 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means we will write the power. 2 power 4 means we will multiply 2 4 times. We will not multiply 2 multiply 4. 4 2 ja 8 it will come. No. We will multiply 2 4 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. It will become 2 multiply 3 became 8. So that 8 multiplied by 2 became 8 to the 16. So that 16 we will write here. Now 2 power 5 means 1 2 multiply 1 2 also added. So now 16 multiplied 2 became 32. So that we will write 32 here. Now we will convert this power value into the same value, which we will convert this power into values. So this will come. After this we will multiply this and this only. we will not use this because we have changed this into value. So that now we will multiply this by this. Now value multiply by binary number. I have written here value multiply by binary number. Value is 1. 1 multiply 1 became 1. Now value is 2. 2 multiply 0. If we will multiply any number by 0, it will become 0. So that 2 multiply 0 became 0. 4 multiply 1. 4 1 ja 4. 8 multiply 0 became 0. Then 16 multiply 1 became 16. And 32 1 ja 32. After this we will write these numbers and we will add all these numbers to convert into decimal number. Now 32 plus 16 plus this is the number which I have converted. Now 32 plus 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. We will add all these numbers. After adding it will come 53. 53, then base is 10 because decimal number base is 10, so that I will write base is 10. Now 53 base 10. This is a decimal number which we have converted. Hope you all understood. One more example we will do. This is again we will do one more example. 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the 6. So that we will write 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. This is a binary number. Then after this we will write par. We are converting into this binary number into decimal number, and binary number base is 2. By mistake I have written here. This is 2. This is 2. Okay, the base is 2. So this is 2. Now 2 par 0, 2 par 1, 2 par 2, 2 par 3, 2 par 4, 2 par 5, 2 par 6. We will write like this here. Now after this we will convert this par into value. 2 par 0 means 1. I told you that only 1 is this. 2 par 0 means 1. 2 par 1 means 2 1 ja 2. 2 par 2 means 2 multiply 2. 2 2 ja 4. And 2 par 3 means 4. 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Again 2 will be multiplied. Then it will become 8. Now 2 par 4 means 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Now 2 par 5 means 16 multiplied by 2, 32. Now 2 par 6 means 32 multiplied by 2, it will become 64. Now same way value multiply binary number, which I have written here. 1 multiply 1 became 1 multiply 1 became 0 because by mistake we have done one mistake here. 1 multiply 1 became 1, only 1 here. It will become 1. This is 1. 1 multiply 1 became 1 only. This will be this is wrong. This is 1 only. Okay, 1 multiply 1 became 1. 2 multiply 0 became 0. 4 multiply 1 means 4 1 ja 4. 8 multiply 1, 8 1 ja 8. 16 multiply 1, 16 1 ja 16. 32 multiply 0 became 0. 64 multiply by 1, 64. Now we will add 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8, then plus 4, then plus 0, and it will be the 1. This will be the 1. Okay, this will 1. So that answer will be 93. This will 93, not 92. This will 93. Means 93. And the base is 93 base is, this base is 10. So answer will be 93. After adding these number, 93 will come. So that 93 base is 10. This is the number system. Today I told you about only two. I have explained only two number, decimal number and binary number, and I have explained you the questions which are converted binary number, decimal number to binary number, and binary number to decimal number. In my upcoming video, I will explain you the other two number and converting that two numbers. Students, this is my advice that you will see complete video. Try to do these questions on your copy, and you will do these questions in your computer notebook also. And the questions which I will give in your home assignment, you will do that question also in computer notebook. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Complete your work on time and submit your work on time. Thank you.